So today we're going to be making Bolinho de Chuva. And since we are a half Brazilian household, I love to cook a lot of Brazilian foods or dishes that are inspired by Brazil, where my husband grew up. And one of his favorites that he had as a kid is Bolinho de Chuva, which translates from Portuguese to little rain cakes. And it's basically little fried dough pockets that are rolled in cinnamon and sugar, and they're super delicious. You can have them as a snack or a little dessert, and they're one of our favorites. So let's get started.